Hello viewers. Most people wanting to get on in the world of trading, they might be new to it, learning it, wanting to progress on, as a novice, but really are just, quite frankly, all over the place. And that's because there's no structure, no pattern to what they're doing. And, they might buy a course that lasts a day and hoping that that's going to solve all their problems. They might look at a video on YouTube from one person or another person, pick an idea here from there and mash it together and get nowhere. They might take a strategy that they've seen or heard about, not really test it, and end up losing money. No structure, no planning, no trading plan in place. All very dangerous, all going to get you really stuck. So I went away, scratched my head and thought, well, what needed to go into a trader training package to create the ultimate training environment to get that person on and up the ladder and give them the best chance of success as possible. So I did go away and think about it, and I think I've put together that just exact package that you need, and it is loaded. So you can find out more on my website www.thestophunter.co.uk/trader-training, and that's where we are now. We're in that page, that landing page for the Elite Trader Training Program 2026, and this is just not another little trading course. This is serious stuff. Structured trader development package built for people who want to get properly organized, properly trained and properly moving in the right direction. So this is built around my Elite Trader Training Program 2026, but what makes it powerful is everything that now sits inside it. So most traders, like I said, do not fail because they lack information. They fail because they are scattered. No lane, no structure, no system, no repeatable process. They bounce from Renko to options to bots to indicators to YouTube hacks, never actually build anything serious. This package is built to stop that. So let's take a look what is actually inside the package that I've put together. So it's a lot, and it's what you need to succeed, really. So we've got the Elite Trader Training Program itself, and then we have the Mastering Python for Trading e-course for you, the Renko Bot Building e-course for you. And if you're new to trading, you're a novice, before we start the program, full guns in September, there's a new Learn to Trade online course for beginners to get you up to speed, so we're all singing from the same hymn sheet come September. Plus you get access to my books, the PDF versions, Renko Chart Trading Revolution, Samurai Trading, and the new one coming out in May, Trading Options for a Living. You get the recordings of the Renko masterclasses, which is 25 and 26. That'll give you a full insight into the world of Renko trading before you get to the program that starts in September. Then you get 2 structured lectures per week delivered by me and 1 live seminar per week, which is a questions and answers session that you can thrash out with me anything you want to talk about. Then we give you 1 monthly private one-to-one session, so you get an hour with me every month to go through your trading plan, and that one below that we pre-build before it even starts a personal custom built trading plan for you. But like I said, you get the one-to-one sessions, which really do help. You can bring back your statistics, your data to me every month, and I can go through it and we can get you on the right track. You also get like I said, access to the dedicated ETTP resource platform where all the lectures, recordings sit, other trading tools that I've built, all available. And that leads you into the extra tools, materials, lecture recordings. Like I said, they're all there for you. So if you can't get there one day, it's still all there. If you're somewhere around the other part of the world, you can't get to that lecture, again, it's recorded, it's available for you. And also as a bonus, just to add a bit of psychology, a bit of spice to the whole program, you can enter the futures trading competition with a chance to win £2,000 cash and a straight to funded prop account, that is subject to competition criteria. So you could, in theory, win back your entry fee. But that's to find you. I'll be monitoring those statistics and results, and that adds a bit of an extra element of what it feels like to be in the real world of trading. So if you do get the package, like it says there, you get immediate access to all those courses, books, recordings, tools and other materials as they become available way before the September course start date. So it's not like you wait for the course. We're building you up all the time through to September, 3 months of intensive learning, then hopefully the other side you're off, ready to get going. So I'd like to say it's not a thin offer, it's not one product, it's not one angle, it's a full stack. And I've also built it around different lanes. There's 3 key lanes that are laid out there because you can't fit people just to one bucket. And I've traded and had jobs, professionally in all of those. So I know what it, takes to be in them. You might want to be just a futures trader. You might want to be just an options trader. You might want to be getting into the technical side of automated trading. Those lanes we can build into your trading plan. You can still be a blend, but it's important to get you in the right channel. So like I said, before the program even starts, you'll have a one-to-one with me and we'll develop your lane, whatever you want to go down. So instead of drifting aimlessly between different markets and products, instruments, you go off into the program with a clear route and we build around that. So that brings me on to what you leave with. It all sounds very good, but what do you actually get? What's the outcome from all of this? So by the end of this, I don't want people leaving with just more information. I want them leaving with clarity. You should leave with proper lane, a more serious framework, better structure, stronger understanding of the execution and risk, and a trading plan you can actually continue to build on after the program ends. This is about becoming more dangerous as a trader, not just more entertained. It's about putting the odds on your side and giving you the best chance of success. Now, there's a lot in this package, and the cost of it, the full price, is £5,500, and it's only available for the first 20 people. I'm only going to do this for 20 people. So I'm anticipating, it'll go fast, but to get things moving, the first 5 of you who can, sign up before the end of March can get it at $2,999. And even if those 5 places go quick, I'm still offering 15% off until the end of March, and then it goes back to the full price. But even at the full price, it's a great, bargain, I think, for what you're getting. Like I said, places are limited. It's fully online. It's available globally. If you're serious, I would not sit around on this too long. So if you want details, you want more information, visit the website www.thestopHunter.co.uk/trader-training, or email me at info@thestopHunter.co.uk to register your interest. Remember, this is for serious traders. If you want in, it's time to take action.